Good morning to all. Myself Dr. K. Manoharan, Associate Professor, Department of Biomedical Engineering. So today class we are going to discuss about traffic light controller interface with 8051 microcontroller. So traffic lights are automatic vehicles for controlling the vehicles in one direction. So because if you have a junction, all the vehicles come inside means it will have a collision. To avoid that, we need to take some lights to control the vehicles. That is, so only one direction vehicles will be allowed to travel. So remaining all direction, we need to wait for the particular delays. So here we can use the microcontroller to generate a delays, also to control the lights. So typically we have three lights. So one will be red, and another will be yellow, and another will be green. So red indicates we need to stop a vehicle, and if it is a green means it indicates we can move the vehicle, that is go signal, and yellow this is for a wait signal. So red is stop and yellow is wait. So when we use yellow means whenever we have a green, instantly we cannot change from green to red. So there may be possible of collision. To avoid that, so we need to give some warning signals, that is we are going to close this green. So for that we use this yellow. So for example 30 seconds green means, so we glow for a 30 seconds. So end of that we glow a yellow. So yellow will be glowed for only for a 5 seconds. After 5 it goes for a red. So this is the indication for a single direction. So each direction we have the similar arrangements. So also we have a free left. So free lefts no need to control from a microcontroller. Always it need to be turned on. So that is not connected to microcontroller. So directly we can connect a supply and we can continuously turn on a free left directions. Look at this traffic light arrangement. So this is one direction and this is another direction. So totally we have a 4 direction. Look at this lights arrangement. So here look at this yellow, red, green. So this is arrangement will be available for all directions. So whenever we are turning on a lights, for example, if we are turning on this direction means, so here I need to give a green light to be turned on. Remaining all 3 direction we need to turn on a red lights. So because only these direction vehicles will be allowed to enter and go to the particular destination. So remaining all direction the vehicles should be wait. So after that particular time, so we need to turn off a red. So we cannot turn on a red immediately. So instead we can turn on a yellow for a 5 seconds. After that we can turn it to red. So that time we can change the next direction. So here I can turn on a green. So once this direction is turned on, so these vehicles will be enter and goes for the straight and then right and left also. So free left everything at a time we can go it. Remaining 2 direction only go with have this green lights. So after this arrangement it go for a next direction and next direction, like that it will be goes continuously. After completing all the direction, they will be given preference for a pedestrian cross. Look at the arrangements. I am taking this microcontroller. I am taking the ports. So you have a 3 lights now. So I can take 3 lights and these 3 lights. So totally we have this 6 lights that will be connected to the port 2, and these 6 lights I am connecting to another ports. I can take an, if required, I can take an buzzer also. Look at this. So here I am turning on green light. Remaining all direction I am turning on red. Look at this. So this direction is green and this direction is red glowing. This direction also red glowing. This direction also red glowing. So only these direction vehicles will be enter and go to the destination. So remaining 3 direction vehicle will be wait. So after this time what we'll do, so we turn on a yellow and then wait for a 5 seconds. After that this green will be turned on and this green will be turned on, and here I make it a red. So these 3 direction will be red. We have a yellow, green here. So these vehicles will be moved. So these will be repeated. So first thing we need to have a delays. So each direction, if it require, it will be uniform, then we can give a uniform delays. If for example it is a highway will be connected with a small road means we can have a different delays. So depending upon the density of vehicles, we can vary the delay also. So based on that, each time I turn on a yellow green and I need to wait for that particular delay. After that, so it will be given for the next directions. So look at these programs. So I am taking this only, I am considering for only one direction. I am taking 3 lights. So port to 0, this will be for red, and port to 1, this is for yellow, and port to 2, that is green. So I am taking a port to 0, 1, 2, so for a 3 LEDs. So I am taking this delay very simple. I am taking 2 for loops. So there is no inside the while loop. That's why I am putting a semicolon here. So what happens? These delays will be executed. So 1275 times into this t. So for example, I need a 100 millisecond. I put a t is 100. So 100 into 1275. So these loop will be repeated for a 1275 times. So this will be multiple with this t times. So this generate a delay. And the main program, so first thing I'm turning on the rights. So I'm turning on a red here, and yellow is 0 and green is 0. So this direction red is glowing, and I'm waiting for a delay 1000 millisecond. After that I'm making this red is 0 and green is 1. So yellow, there is no change. So I'm taking a red to be turned on and green to be, that is red to be turned off and green to be turned on. After the delays, again I'm turning on this, green will be 0 and yellow will be 1. So this is I'm considering for a one direction. So instead we can consider for all 4 directions.